In this video, we review Etrade vs Vanguard. Have you used Etrade or Vanguard before? What was your experience? Leave your Etrade or Vanguard review in the comments section below. When comparing Etrade and Vanguard, it's essential to consider several factors, including fees, investment options, and platform usability, as these two giants cater to different investor needs. While Vanguard is known for its low-cost index funds and extensive ETF offerings, Etrade stands out with its robust trading tools and broader range of investment products. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. Etrade, established in 1982, has gained a reputation for its user-friendly platform and advanced trading tools. It offers a diverse set of investment options, including stocks, options, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, and futures. Etrade's platform is particularly advantageous for active traders and those who want access to advanced charting and technical analysis tools. Additionally, Etrade provides a mobile app that offers an almost seamless experience with its desktop counterpart, making it a solid choice for investors who prioritize flexibility in their trading activities. Etrade's commission-free trades for stocks and ETFs, along with competitive options contract pricing, appeal to cost-conscious traders looking for a versatile trading platform. On the other hand, Vanguard, founded by John Bogle in 1975, is synonymous with low-cost, long-term investing. Vanguard's primary focus is on its own lineup of index mutual funds and ETFs, which are known for their exceptionally low expense ratios. The platform is ideal for investors who prefer a buy-and-hold strategy and value cost efficiency over active trading features. Vanguard's commitment to low fees has made it a favorite among passive investors looking to minimize costs while maximizing long-term gains. The company's funds, particularly its S&P 500 Index Fund, VO, have been go-to choices for investors seeking broad market exposure with minimal fees. Vanguard also boasts a large selection of mutual funds, some of which have higher minimum investment requirements but offer various share classes tailored to different investor needs. The advantages of Etrade lie in its comprehensive range of investment products, advanced trading tools, and a user-friendly platform. It's well-suited for both beginner and active traders who want a versatile brokerage with access to various investment options. However, some users may find its options trading fees to be slightly higher than competitors. Etrade also provides extensive research and educational resources, making it an excellent choice for investors who want to develop their trading strategies. The platform's real-time data, customizable dashboards, and robust mobile app are significant advantages for those who prioritize frequent trading and market analysis. Vanguard's strengths are its low-cost investment products and focus on long-term, passive investing. Vanguard's mutual funds and ETFs are designed to be cost-effective, often featuring lower expense ratios compared to similar offerings from competitors. This makes Vanguard an excellent choice for retirement accounts or investors focused on building a low-cost, diversified portfolio. However, Vanguard's trading platform is less sophisticated compared to Etrade. It may not be the best fit for active traders who require advanced charting tools or quick trade execution. Vanguard's website and app have also been critiqued for their less intuitive design and slower performance. In conclusion, the choice between Etrade and Vanguard largely depends on an investor's needs and trading style. If you're an active trader looking for a wide range of investment products, advanced tools, and a robust trading platform, Etrade is likely the better option. It caters to those who need flexibility, advanced analytics, and access to various asset classes. Conversely, if you prioritize low-cost, passive investing and prefer a platform focused on index funds and ETFs, Vanguard offers an unbeatable value. Vanguard is ideal for long-term investors who seek to build a low-cost, diversified portfolio without frequent trading. Both platforms excel in specific areas, so the decision ultimately hinges on whether you value comprehensive trading tools or cost-efficient, long-term investment options.